All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin and staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. We've been featuring 6-in-1 miners going on. Right now, we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Yeah, with the streets being bloody everywhere, this is your chance to basically cost average if you like the Dogelon Mars. Of course, Dogelon Mars is down also, just like the whole market is. So we're going to go to their website, check out their Twitter account, do a little price prediction when we're done. We're also going to talk about inflation, how the average household is spending about $300 to $311 more to do exactly the same thing they were doing, which is around $3,600 more a year. So how can we hedge against inflation? Now, remember, they were talking about buying Bitcoin to hedge against inflation. That has not turned out to be a good thing if you've been looking at the bloody streets in the last few days. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. I'll go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and you know it, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, here we go. We almost are down 50% in the last 7 days. If you like this coin and you're looking this, we may never see a time like this again. It's down 45% in the last 7 days. Today, it's only down 12%. I don't know if that's good or bad that it's only down 12%. Clicking it. All right, over here, down 12% today. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 46.44. We're down again today, right here. Take a look. So for right here, we're down. But in the last 7 days, we are down, doobie down. I mean, it's down, but again, in the defense of Dogelon Mars or Dogelon Mars, no matter how you like to say it, everything is down. Doesn't make it good, but everything is down. Clicking over to their Twitter account here, do a price prediction a little bit. I am Dogelon Mars. Come join me, and together we'll reach the stars. Now remember, this coin is the coin that's going to be used to actually do intergalactic travel. So if you're into intergalactic travel to Mars, you're going to want to load up on your Dogelon or your Dogelon Mars. About a month ago, they formed this right here for the updates regarding the first release of Dogelon Martian NFT series featuring Gloomy Bear. Yep, Gloomy Bear is one of the Dogelon Martian's NFTs. The first of many cross-universe collaborations, Dogelon has entered the Gloomyverse. Follow Dogelon Mars NFTs for updates on how you can join the revolution on Mars. Join us today, and we'll reach for the stars. Dogelon Martian. Coming over to that website, Dogelon Martian, we got everything flipping and going, coming soon. Dogelon Martian. Display across the galaxy under the threat of the eliminations. The Dogelon Martian has searched wide and far for powerless allies that would help aim within their mission. To help the victorious, lovable Gloomy Bear, this time for reclaiming of Mars has finally come. There's going to be 10,000 of these NFTs. Right now, there's nothing. You're going to connect your wallet. They're coming soon. But over to the right here, you just get a nice little, like a little peep show of what they're going to look like. Oh, look at that one. Look at the basketball. Look at the, there's all there. Oh, and there's Gloomy Bear taking a pop to the left here. See Gloomy picking out there? Yep, it says the owners of Dogelon Martian's NFTs will earn seats among the council of the Dogelon DAO as a pioneer and the leader. And as NFT owners, users will have increased voting rights with the Dogelon, there's Gloomy Bear again, DAO, and well as other special privileges that will enable them, the humanity, into the brighter future. We got right here, replying on the Dogelon Mars NFTs, kind of nice little picture right there. Jumping over to the website. We got Dogelon's facelift, new website. There's a few places right here, 6 of them that you can buy the Dogelon today. You can get it on Crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and of course, Gemini. It says, I am Dogelon Mars. Join me, and together we'll reach the stars. If you want to follow Dogelon, of course, you can join their Twitter account. There's 650,000 people are following their Twitter and 90,000 following their Telegram account. To get the Dogelon Mars sticker pack, you would just click right here. They got the Comic Sega Begins. If you're interested in the comics, you can kind of check everything out here. It talks about in the year 2420, Mars has been successfully recolonized as the first galactic voyage. The young Rufus and asteroid Mars settle in their morning pancakes as they discuss the plans for the future. But little do they know that a storm has been brewing in the walls of their cozy colony. So you can kind of click right here and see everything that happens. Follow the Dogelon story. Dogelon is ranked at 120, a market cap of 255.52, and volume at 49.53. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, now we're going to talk about inflation. The average family spending about $311 to $296 more to do exactly the same thing. Breaks down to about $75 a week. Now, a lot of times people have a hard time saving. Could you imagine if we were all saving an extra $75 a week? Then we wouldn't be so stressed. But a lot of people are living paycheck to paycheck. So this inflation thing is starting to, you feel it at the pump, you feel it at the grocery store. Now you're feeling it at every single thing you do. It says right here, CNET, U.S. families paying nearly $300 more per month as inflation soars. How to save money now. The average U.S. household are shelling out $269 more per month, an estimate likely to continue rising as inflation hits a new 40-year record high. This week, inflation hit a new 8.5 high, the largest increase since 1981. Yeah, this is the largest increase in like 81, 91, 2001, in 30 years. I mean, placing additional pressure on the Federal Reserve to get rising prices under control. While the Feds have indicated it is prepared to rise interest rates again by as much as 0.5%, yeah, they're going to keep rising as everything else is rising. I guess they're going to just follow, this is going up, that is going up, let's raise interest rates. When necessary, they won't cause price to drop overnight. With food and gas prices continually decline, finding ways to save money now is imperative. How much is inflation stretching your monthly budget? The sharp rise in prices costing U.S. households an extra $296 per month on an average, according to the March report at Moody's Analysts. And until inflation rates begin to retreat, the estimate is likely to keep increasing. Hoping to migrate the rise in everyday goods, some are seriously considering side hustles. Yeah, our CNN Money video breaks out 6 ways to earn an extra $500 a month, and the most watched video this year, and offering actionable advice on how to start a side hustle. So right here, you can learn about side hustles. I talk about it all the time. Here we go. Uber's a side hustle. You can literally go to TaskRabbit is a side hustle. Go to TaskRabbit. There's all kinds of things. But if you'd rather tackle your budget to unlock the savings, consider these road-tested spending strategies that will help you offset inflation tolls. Number 1, how to save money on food. Consume carefully. As we reported, 40% of food waste comes from our kitchen. But shopping with more precise, consuming leftovers and taking inventory inside your kitchen cabinets before hitting the grocery stores are saving strategies that supports sustainable while keeping more money in your bank account. Number 2, get frozen. In the past, buying fresh fish and produce with the best possible quality. But in recent years, especially now that our family has doubled in size, I love frozen options such as greens, berries, smoothies, fillets, or fish. With advanced, rapid, deep freeze techniques, the quality is just as good as when thawed, and you can save easily 30 to 50% on the price to the end. We're investing in a separate freezer where we store our breads, cheese, and other quick-to-perish foods to boost the shelf life of extra 3 to 6 months. Yeah, these are things you have to do. Diversify when you shop, store brands. Whether you're at Costco or Whole Foods or the local supermarket, keep an eye on the store's own private label. You can usually find these products in the pantry and fresh food aisles. The quality of the store label's goods is just as solid, in my opinion, as the name brands vary and they sell for much as 25 to 50% less. Also, buy discount gift cards for eating out. Gift cards resell sites like Rise and Card Cash let you buy discount cards with a variety of brands. You can often find solid savings on cards tied to chain restaurants and opposed to grocery stores, which tends to sell out faster. For example, Card Cash, I found a gift card to Subway for 10% off. How to save money on gas. Sign up for fuel saving programs. Search for the cheapest gas. Bring cash to the pump. Renegotiate your car insurance. That's a one way. How to save money on utilities. Ask for discounts. Drop streaming services. How to save money on travel. We're not even going to go there because a lot of people can't even do the travel. So there you go, everybody. Inflation is getting everybody by a $296 to $311 more. Some great ideas. coupons, using the store's own brands, like they have their own brand of bread or their own brand of peanut butter or their own brand of cheese. You may want to do that. I was talking before with the gas, maybe you set up a carpool at work, you and one of your friends drive, you would cut back on your driving 50%. If you had 3 friends in the car, one of you drive 1 week, there's 4 of you, each of you drive 25% of the week. During this time of crisis, with inflation being so high, literally you're going to have to do whatever you have to do. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head over to Dogelon Mars or Dogelon Mars, no matter how you like to say it, for a little price prediction. And we're going to go back to crypto, bloody in the streets. All right, again, over here at Dogelon Mars' website, a quick guide for people that don't know how to get started. Get your MetaMask wallet, send some ETH to your MetaMask wallet, connect your wallet, and then swap the ETH for Elon. Very simple way. Again, the nice thing about this is a brand new website that they actually put together a few months ago. For our price prediction right here, I'm going to say the coin's still going to go down, only because the whole market on every coin is going down. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 46.53. I think it's going to be a 44.53. All my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. I'm not a financial planner. I'm just documenting my journey here on DeFi and crypto. All right, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Cryptos, right now, a lot of people are buying crypto because they're down so much. There's a lot of people I've talked to that said they never seen Solana and they never seen Cardano. They never seen prices like this ever before. So a lot of people are getting restocking up on crypto, but for everybody who has crypto, we're not happy at all because all our bags of crypto are actually shrinking. So I'm going to click right over here, put a video on BUSD crop farmers. I've already received 40% of my money back. It's in a BUSD, so the coin's not going to drop 30 or 40 or 70% in a week. Check that out. I'm also going to put over here USDC crop farmers. Same thing. The coin is pegged to $1. You don't have to worry about the coin dropping 40 to 90% in the next week. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to Dogelon Mars, Frank's Crypto Corner, and a little bit about inflation here in the United States. Have a great day, everybody.